How to log in to Facebook from Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to open your Instagram app, and then you should try and connect your Facebook and your Instagram account. So to do that, just simply go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Settings, and then you should scroll down once again until you can see Meta right here and click on Accounts Center. So right here, what you're going to do is to connect your Facebook and then your Instagram account. So just simply go to your profiles and then connect your Facebook by clicking on Add Accounts right here. So assuming now that you have connected your Facebook and Instagram account, then you should go back and look for the option which says logging in with accounts. So click on logging in with accounts and then choose allow all accounts to log into each other instead of choose which accounts can log into other accounts. So make sure to click on this very first option, and now once you open Facebook, you may open your account or log in your account using your Instagram account. So that's it. That's how you can log into Facebook from Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.